Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to recover your LinkedIn account without email and phone number. So step 1 is just open any of the browser inside your laptop. Let's say this is the browser and just go to Google and search here LinkedIn. And once you write down LinkedIn on Google, that will take you to this page. So make sure to open the LinkedIn page, click on sign in, or you can just click on join now, whatever it is. Let's say I click on sign in and you will see an interface like this one. So from this, you can just click on this option called forgot password. And once you click on forgot password, they will ask you to enter your email address. So what you need to do is just write down the random email address. Let's say abcd1234 at the rate gmail.com. Like this is a totally random email. Make sure to give the wrong email address here. Click on next. And once you click on next, they might ask you to just clear this captcha. So just clear this one. And once you do it, they will ask you, as you can see, enter the 6-digit code. So from this option, once you see this, just click on can't access this email. Just click on this option. And once you click here, open the camera app on your mobile device. Now make sure that you already have logged in on your mobile device. So open your mobile device, scan this QR code from the this QR code from your mobile camera. And once you verify that QR code, after that, they will ask you to enter the new email address that you want to use. Just enter the new email address, whichever you want to use. And after that, you will be able to change your email address and recover your LinkedIn account without phone number or without the email. So that is a simple process of how you can do it.